Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Member for the question. Madam Speaker, I wanted to ask if there can be clarification on the question that has been posed here. The Honourable Member is talking about revival. Revival normally occurs if there is a suffocation or there's a stoppage somewhere. We have never really had any problems with the extensive services of fisheries to the islands. Does she want me to explain something that is not existing? This is the problem with the opposition. They come in here and talk about plans. We are not talking about plans. We are talking about actions. Yeah. So she better clarify what issue she wants me to explain to answer that question, because it does not exist. If you are asking for revival, then there must be an existing problem of suffocation within the extensive services. There has never been any.